Hello, hi guys. This is Chemistry IGCSE lecture, and today we are going to do some revision on the previous chapter, which is atoms. Okay, so what is an atom? Okay, an atom is the smallest unit of matter. Atoms make up all things. Okay, atoms combine to form all the solids, liquids, and gases. Atom consists of proton, neutron, and electron. All right, this is the animation of an atom. As you can see, okay, there's the center there is the nucleus, and electrons are moving around the nucleus. All right, so this is the structure of an atom. As you can see, an atom consists of proton, neutron, and electron. As you can see in the diagram, okay, the nucleus consists of proton and neutron, and electrons are moving around the nucleus. Okay, the electron is the negatively charged particles, while proton is the positively charged particles. However, neutron has no charge. Okay, so now let's look at the periodic table of element. Okay, so this is all the elements that has been discovered and existed in nature. Okay, as you can see, the first column here is group 1. Okay, so it's followed by group 2, group 3, group 4. Okay, so the most important groups that you have to remember is the group 1, group 17, also known as the halogens, and group 18, also known as the noble gases. Okay, and now let's look at the element carbon here. Okay, we want to learn on how to extract the information from the periodic table. Okay, so there are numbers, okay, on the periodic table. Okay, as you can see, number 6 here is the atomic number, which is actually the number of proton and electrons. Okay, C is the element symbol, and the element name is carbon. So number 12 here is actually the atomic mass, okay, the mass of the carbon atom. Okay, and it's actually the mass of proton and neutrons inside the nucleus. Okay, so now we are going to learn in detail on how to construct atomic structure based on the information on the periodic table of elements. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the atomic structure for group 1. Okay, hydrogen, lithium, and sodium. Okay, group 17, fluorine and chlorine. Group 18, helium, neon, and argon. Okay, as you can see, helium, lithium, and sodium, okay, are classified as group 1 because it has one valence electron, okay, in the outermost shell. Okay, lithium also has one valent electron in the outermost shell. Okay, that's why all these elements are classified as group 1. Okay, for group 17, okay, they have 7 valence electron in the outermost shell. 2, 4, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. So all these elements are classified as group 17 because they have 7 valence electrons. Okay, for group 18, okay, they have 8 valence electrons in the outermost shell. Okay, it is special for helium because helium only have 2 electrons. Okay, we'll see that later. Okay, so this is the atomic structure for hydrogen. Okay, so this information we get from the periodic table. So number 1 here is actually indicates that the hydrogen atom actually have 1 proton and 1 electron. Okay, and the atomic mass or the nucleon number is 1.008. So this is the atomic structure of hydrogen atom. Okay, as you can see, there's only 1 electron, okay, moving around the nucleus. Okay, and also 1 proton inside the nucleus. Okay, and then let's look at helium atom, which is atom in group 18. Okay, as you can see, number 2 here indicates that the helium atom has 2 protons and 2 electrons. Okay, and the nuclear number is 4. So nuclear number comprises of proton and neutrons. So if you want to find the number of neutron, okay, you minus the nuclear number with the proton number. So 4 minus 2, you get 2 is the number of neutrons. Okay. Okay, now let's construct atomic structure for group 17. The chlorine atom has 17 proton and 17 electron. Okay, and the atomic mass or the nuclear number is 35. Okay, so if you want to find the neutron number, 35 minus 17, then you get 17 number of neutrons. Okay, so first step, if you want to construct a chlorine atom, okay, the atomic structure of chlorine. Okay, so first you have to draw the nucleus, and then followed by the first shell. Okay, in the first shell you put only 2 electrons. Okay, in the first shell, that's the maximum number of electrons that you can put in the first shell. Okay, and then construct the second shell. Okay, in the second shell you can put a maximum of 8 electrons. Okay, so you put 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, number of electrons. So here the total number of electron is 2 plus 8 is 10. So the number of electron is 17. So balance is 7. Okay, so draw another shell and then put 7 electrons in the third shell. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, so this is the atomic structure for chlorine. Okay, all right. Chlorine is group 17 because chlorine has 7 valence electrons in the outermost shell. All right, so exercise for you to do, try to do the atomic structure for neon, okay, and argon. Okay, so you find out what is the number of proton and electrons and draw the atomic structure of these elements. All right, that's all for today. I hope you still remember what we have learned in the previous lecture, and see you next time.